In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Betway Scores app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get the right Betway Scores app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store app. Once you tap on Play Store on your phone, now you should see we have a search bar on top here. Go ahead and tap on it and search the app by name. However, if you can't see this search bar, then go ahead and look for the search icon down below and tap on it. I'll go ahead and search Betway just like that. I'll tap on it to search, and you can see we have the app here. If I go ahead and tap on it, to know that this is the right app, make sure it is from SportsCC, Betway Scores, and News. At the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.7 with over 164,000 reviews, and currently it has over 10 million active downloads. The file size is averagely 18 MBs. If you see these details, now you'll know that you have the right app, and this is the logo. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Betway Scores app and install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can now proceed and tap on open here, or now if you go back to your apps, you should be able to see it here. Go ahead and tap on it to open. Here is the welcoming interface. Now you can proceed and sign in, verify your age. If you are over 18, tap on over 18. And from here, you can now go ahead and set up your account, or if you already have an account, go ahead and sign in or log in. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.